this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a phone holder for your car that's going to be able to not only hold your phone, super easy to adjust, and holding it in the correct position that you can see when driving, then check this one out. This amazing phone holder is from AINOPE. What makes it super great is that you actually get two separate phone holders. So depending on your type of car, depending on your vents, you can see which one fits the best for you. This one's a little bit shorter. It will keep your phone closer to the vent. I personally like the longer one because in my car, I have all the different gear shifts like up top. And then this way, because it leans down farther, my phone is never blocking my airflow, especially in the summer. You want to be able to have AC, or in the winter, you want to be able to have the heat. You don't want anything blocking it. One of the other features is how easy it is to place your phone. That anytime there's no like pinching your fingers and pulling anything apart, you literally just put your phone down. Whether you have a small phone or a big phone, it works perfect for all those things. It's really easy to install. This little grip in the back right here. You twist it out and it will actually hook around your air vents, and then you tighten it to securely place it. It also has this little knob right here. If you loosen that, it actually lets you rotate this, so if you need it at a better angle for yourself. Overall, this is a really good deal. It has different functions for your phone. It has different options depending on what you like, depending on how your car works. This phone overall adapts to you and adapts to your car. That way, when you need your phone to listen to music or charging, there's nothing going to block it. It's going to adjust super easy. That way, you're never worried about where to place your phone or your phone rolling around your car. This car holder is going to keep your phone secure and looking great, but that's my point of view.